Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's ring reveal is from Fragrant Jewels Elephant of Surprise Candle and Bath Bomb Set. Fragrant Jewels partnered with Love and Bananas. It's an amazing charity which provides care and protection for elephants. So for every purchase of this product, it will all go through the care and protection for Asian elephants. This is their info card, and at the back these are all the 10 ring designs that you can get from this collection. So they're all rhodium plated rings, and each ring is highlighted by a Silver Night Swarovski Crystal center stone. They are all pretty. Alright, so let's unbox the candle and the bath bomb. So Love and Bananas will transport the elephants from the life of a captive working elephant to a life of sanctuary at Elephant Nature Park in Thailand. So here's the bath bomb. It's an elephant foot shaped bath bomb, and it smells amazing. It's lily and berries, and I love the pink and purple color. Look at that. And here's the candle. I love the ceramic sleeping elephant shaped candle jar. It is so cute. Look at that. And I love the color. It's silver and gray. I like the bath bomb. This candle is a very light scent. Very light scent of lily and berries. Alright, so let's do the reveal for the candle first and then the bath bomb. Okay, so here is our first ring. And upon checking the code, this ring is appraised for $25 US. Okay guys, I need to flip the video because I filmed it wrong. It should be this way. Look at the shape of the elephant. So we have this cute elephant shaped ring. Look at that. Studded with diamond-like stones. Once your bath bomb is finished, your ring will stay floating at the top, and inside is a strip of paper with your code that will give you points. And if you input that code online, you will get the appraisal value of your ring. So there's our ring. I've got 25 rewards points for this, and this ring is appraised for $25 US. So here's our ring. It's a beautiful, dainty ring. I love the Silver Night Swarovski Crystal center stone, and I love the baby elephants on the side. It's a pretty, dainty ring. I love it. This Silver Night Swarovski Crystal is new to my collection, so I'm really happy about this purchase. Alright guys, I hope you love the double ring reveals. Please stay tuned for more and take care and have a nice day. Bye!